Hey guys, so I just bought this lamp with the, with a light that has adjustable brightness, and I was unpacking it and I figured it'd be nice to maybe just make a video of it. So got the nice cover over here. So hopefully it's supposed to give like this yellow like kind of color when it lights up. So it's a bedroom lamp, and yeah, I'm just going to take this out of the plastic. Okay, so that's out of the way, and in here we've got this bit of a manual. So I got this lamp for about $5. Yeah, so that's the beauty of living in China. So okay, so this is meant to be the cover. Imagine it sits on top of this. I'll screw it on in a bit. For now, I'm going to cut this so I can get the LED out. So I had one of these before and I really liked using it, but what happened was, like, the old one, I forget what happened. First I remember like the light broke, and then I couldn't find a replacement because it wasn't an LED light. But this one is nice because it's an LED light, and I recently watched an interesting video that said that, LED lights save power because they don't like the conventional lights. They use, like, most of the energy that they use is actually dissipated as heat, whereas LED only uses the part that's converted into the light spectrum. So it uses energy only for that part. It doesn't release any heat at all. So okay, I got my 3-watt LED light, 90% energy saving. So I guess like 10% is dissipated as heat. So you can see here, it's like a nice screw on for the bulb, and it's a screw on bulb as well. So I'm gonna screw this in and make sure it's tight. Okay, then you just remove that. Okay, and then I have my plug over here. I have to undo this tied up bit. Okay, that's out, and then got my cable, and it's got a nice switch. It's got a nice switch, and then so I do have a power source down here, and so I'm gonna light this now. Whoops, looks really nice. I wasn't expecting it to be so yellow because since it's got that white tint, but it looks really nice. Okay, so that's nice and sturdy, and then we got this thing that's a bit loose. So you can see when I screw it, it can like go up and it can go down. I don't know how that's gonna come into play with this, but I think, okay, so I'm gonna see in here, it's like an opening and it sits right on top of this thing. So actually I messed that up. I need to screw this on first before I put the light in. So, oh, and I imagine I have to take this thing off. Okay, and then after putting that, then I can now use this to kind of to tighten that so that it sits sturdy. Okay, I think that's tight. Yeah, you can see screwed on nice, and it's not like making any noise when I shake it, so it's quite sturdy, which is good. And then I am going to screw this on. So actually turns out it's not an adjustable lamp. I thought that it was an adjustable lamp, but it turns out it's not. So let's see. Voila. It has got good light. So, you know, I'd hope that it would have been like adjustable, but I don't know if that's possible with the LED lights. But still, it's got a really nice lighting to it. And actually, let me turn off all of my lights. All right. So hopefully you can still see me, and peekaboo. Okay, I think this is lovely for, use it to light your living room or your bedroom. I think this is best for the bedroom. But okay, so there goes my review, and